Welcome to Have Fun, Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. Here's the part I've been waiting on, how to save money on food. Trying a lot of the different foods is one of our favorite things to do here at Silver Dollar City. We get to try something new each time that we visit the park. Silver Dollar City has restaurants and food vendors throughout the park. This is where your season pass comes in really handy. Show your season pass before you pay for your food and you'll get up to 20% off. That's just another reason to get the season pass. One of our traditions is to stop by Eva and Delilah's bakery as soon as we get through the turnstiles. The smell of fresh cinnamon rolls and giant sticky buns, they just pull you right in. And trust me, you don't want to skip their homemade pastries either. Everything in here tastes as good as it looks and smells. As the day goes on and you need a snack between the rides or shows, how about grabbing a Tater Twist? This is a deep fried spiral cut potato on a stick, and you can add flavors like cheddar, ranch, or barbecue. These things are good. And for lunch, Rivertown Smokehouse is one of my top picks. Their slow-cooked smoked brisket and pulled pork sandwiches are fantastic, and their homemade sauces, they're some of the best you'll ever try. Another one of our favorites is the skillet dish at Lumber Camp Falls Skillets. These are cooked right in front of you in a giant cast iron skillet, and they include smoked sausage, onion, sliced potatoes, green pepper, and corn. Talking about delicious. One of the most popular food items in the park is the cinnamon bread. Silver Dollar City cooks hundreds of loaves of bread every day. Each loaf is warm and buttery and coated in cinnamon sugar. As a season pass holder, I've gone into the park just to get a couple of loaves to bring home with me. No joke, it's really that good. But don't wait until the end of the day to try to get a loaf of cinnamon bread. It seems that everyone wants to take one or two of these home with them to eat later, and the lines, they can get really long in the latter part of the day. And let's don't forget about dessert. If you like funnel cakes, Fanny's Famous Funnel Cakes, say that 3 times fast, has a wide variety of sweet and savory funnel cakes with lots of different toppings for you to choose from. But if you prefer ice cream, Hannah's Ice Cream Parlor churns out some fresh ice cream every day in all sorts of flavors. There are all kinds of food options around the park, and you can place your order at several of these locations by using the Silver Dollar City smartphone app. This will save you lots of time by not having to stand in lines, giving you more time to have fun. And don't forget to use your season pass so you can save money on your orders. If you haven't seen it yet, I have a video about the app. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now, if you've been to the park, we'd love to know what your favorite food item is. Let us know in the comments. Be sure to check out the description for our printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget about any of these time and money saving tips. Now, you know, it's been said, a little thumbs up goes a long way, so if you like this video, please hit the like button before you go. I really would appreciate it. Another special part of Silver Dollar City is all the craft demonstrations. We'll take a look at some of those here. Thanks for watching. Tell a friend.